today's a rainy day. I did do swimming as usual. I'm recording, I'm gonna come out. Start off, well, no, I'm gonna start off to do with other stuff, but yeah, I was like, let me start now that I'm finished swimming and I'm in the car. It's about to, I'm heading home. If you're new here, big up yourself. If you're not, welcome back. So we're gonna go home and we're going to do some decluttering today, like lots of decluttering. Maybe my closet. Should I do my closet? Yeah, I'm just gonna declutter some stuff today. Like probably change around my office, clear off the wall, cause I'm not to America, like everything there in the background. So I think I want to move those things from behind me, so I can have an open wall instead of everything that's behind me when I'm recording, or clear up our next spot. But either way, I'm gonna declutter some things. So I think earlier, well, I don't even know if I did anything today, but I went to the pool again today as usual, and I am still training. I can't wait for the day to come on and say, yo, my training paid off and I did what I needed to do. But now I started something new and I'm going to keep practicing that and see how that works. And I feel like I'm in a mood like I don't want to go to the pool, but then something else happened and I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm going to the pool tomorrow again. I thought I was gonna take a break, but yeah, we're going. So today we're just gonna clean up. I'm gonna try to switch around this room. I don't know, try to give it some type of feng shui. I don't know if I should put this thing right here beside the table. No, I didn't box out of this a favor. Like, I know when I move them, I don't put them, so they gotta stay there. So I am decluttering again, and there's like old shoes from the kids. You guys know I have this obsession of keeping the kids' clothes and everything for years and years, longer than I need to keep it. Well, there's some shoes here, and I was going through it because we need the space, right? This is a size 5. He wore this a few times, but I don't know why. I think I just keep it because I remembered who gave it to him, one of my friends. And I don't know, it's just like, oh, this is special. I don't want to give this away. So I still have it. It's a size 5. He's never gonna wear this, but I love it. I mean, he's never gonna be able to wear it again or whatever, but it's just so cute. Anyways, I have to decide which one of these things I have to get rid of, unfortunately. Can't get rid of that either. This one is a 6, and they're in like 12, 13, size 1 now. I guess I can. Oh my gosh, but there's so many memories. Like I remember when he wore this when he did smaller. I have to donate it. Whew, my gosh. Ooh. What else? He did not get to wear this pair of shoes. Like, he didn't get to wear this. I don't think, like, in the word is not at all, because we did buy it for a photo shoot. Never did a photo shoot. So, no, I think this one was awesome, so he didn't wear it at all. I have to find somebody to give this to. I can't just. Yeah. Oh! I do have somebody I can give it to. Oh, he's probably burned that out by now. Anyways, let me go back to trying to declutter this stuff. Even this box here, I don't know if you can see it, just full of shit that I just need to throw out. Well, you know, some of the pictures and stuff and the posters I need to put up. Might just put them in her. Nah, it's probably gonna stay in the office. But I'm just making some space for those baskets because my space just needs to be clear. Here we go again. Most of the time, like my winter clothes and some of my clothes I'm gonna have for a while, and I'm like, do I give them away or do I just save them? I think I said this the last time. I might be able to just save them until she get older. She can probably wear some of them kind of come back in style. I don't know, maybe that's crazy thinking, but I'm not in the mood to donate these stuff yet. Okay, so I'm replacing this bag as well. Declutter, whatever. Getting rid of this. Look at it. It's been years. It's fully leathered. It literally leather a fall off of the bottom. It's time to go, but I was going through it and I found something that I will be keeping. My business card from when I had the skincare business. We're keeping this. I can't add it to my scrapbook. Memories. I don't know what that's for. I'm just emptying it out so I can toss it. Yeah. Oh, I have some earrings in here. Ooh, these are cute. Didn't know I had those. I have the money in it. My good. 1, 2. Yeah. And I guess it's goodbye to this person. Damn. Didn't see that coming, but it's time for it to go. So I'm wondering if this spot should be like my, you know, get dressed, try on clothes, film spot in the corner. Whoop-de-whoop-de-whooped. Or back there with like all my stuff. I don't know. I don't know which part it's supposed to be. Because I feel like but there's a, it's just the wall. With here I have the corner and everything is bounced. The light, you know, it's better. It's bouncing off the walls. Perfection. There's some staples on the wall from when the kids them put up them artwork, but then they're gonna paste it and just staple it. So I'm gonna remove all of those and then just clear this wall completely. Yeah, just clear this all off. Ask me why the kids don't have so much artwork on the wall. I'm not gonna tell them.